Question number 2a. So we have to draw the orthographic projections of the given image. So this object is given in such a way that you will be having its left hand side view. So apart from front view and top view, you have to draw the side view as well, and you have to draw it using first angle projection method. So as per first angle projection method, the left hand side view is drawn on the right. So you'll be having front view here and top view here. The total length of the object is 90 mm, the width is 60 mm, and as you can calculate, the total height is 50 from the base to the center line, and from center line the outer radius is 20 mm. So the height becomes 70 mm. Let's start the solution. Starting with total length, the height is 70. For this, the center will be at 45. This is the center for concentric circles up to 20. There's a slant from there up to 38. And at this 38, you have a width of 50. So 25 on each side. Let's draw the circles. The inner circle is having a diameter of 16, radius becomes 8. For the outer, the radius is 20. For the outer, the radius is already 20, which is taken here. This portion is visible. At 20, this is also dark. Now, from the base, you have to move 45, drawing a horizontal line. But you have to take it vertical up to 36 mm. So from 45, if you remove 9 from the base, so this is the position. From this point, it should be 36. So it becomes 36 here. At the same point here. These lines are dark too. So at this, there is a slot, but it's not completely horizontal. There is a rip in between. So of 16 it is. So 8 on each side. This is our diameter of 16. Let's move to the top view. The total width 60, carrying the center line. So for this 60, the center will be at 30. Outer portion will be dark. Then this. will be carried down. So at center you have 24. So this portion you have to take 18 mm. So it will be same on the other side. So 18 here. For this portion you have 24, so 12 on each side. So you already got this as 24, as you can see here. Now this portion, it's 16, so 8 on each side. Similarly on the other side, starts from this point, ends on this. This is also dark. Now this here you will be having the circle, the cylindrical part. Let's take it down. So the width is 44, 22 on each side. So this is the portion we are talking about. And in this there will be this cylindrical hole. But it is not going to be seen because there is a portion. Now this hole will be overlapped with this 16, which will be having here continuous lines. For some portion it will be seen. So 10 on each side you have to take. So it's already 10 here and 10 here. This will be dark up to this point. Similarly on this side. The internal slot will be having dashed lines here. This completes the top view. Let's take 45-degree angle. So now taking 45-degree angle, and you have to use this width here. Taking this height, the baseline will be dark. This will not be continuous dark. So taking projectors from here. Then this height and this one. It starts from here. For this, the projectors starts from here, ends here. Now this surface, this line goes up to this. Now the circle, and from here these are the boundaries. This will be dark here, 10 mm on each side. This will be dark, and there will be a line somewhere here for the cut. So this will be the slot. Obviously this will be dark. Now for the cylindrical part, inside one, center line. There will be dashed lines here, lower edge, don't forget this. So this completes the side view as well. Now the dimensions. This completes the solution.